Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone Air and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find General. Then let's scroll down again and go to the transfer or reset. So as you can see, this option is almost at the very bottom. So let's tap on it and then tap on reset. And at the top, we've got the option we're looking for. So reset all settings. Let's tap on it. Of course, we have to enter our passcode to confirm everything. And here our device is informing us what it will actually do. So it will reset all settings, such as, for example, the timer. I mean, not the timer, but the screen timeout. But no data or media will be deleted. So no worries, you do not have to perform a backup. So if you're ready, just tap on reset all settings. Be aware because you cannot undo this action. So just tap on reset all settings if you're ready. And now you have to wait until this whole operation will be done, or your device needs to be restarted probably, because that's a quite huge operation. So just be patient, and after a while your device will be successfully turned on again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.